glasses of water. Take a spoon of salt and a spoon of sand. Now add the salt in one glass and add the sand in another glass. Stir both the glasses with the spoon. We saw that salt completely disappeared or dissolved in water. These substances which completely dissolve in water are soluble in water. Salt and sugar are soluble in water. We also saw that sand didn't dissolve in water. The substances that do not mix with water and do not disappear even after we stir for a long time. These substances are insoluble in water. Sand and chalk powder are insoluble in water. Did you know water plays an important role in the functioning of our body because it can dissolve a large number of substances. We saw the solid substances that were soluble and insoluble in water. Now, let us look at liquids. Vinegar is soluble in water, whereas oil is insoluble in water. Are you wondering if gases are also soluble in water? Yes. Some gases are soluble in water, whereas others are not. Water usually has small quantities of some gases dissolved in it. For example, oxygen gas dissolved in water is very important for the survival of animals and plants that live in water.